morning students, myself Avesh Pakchandani. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 3 from accounts of standard 12th, that is valuation of goodwill. In our previous lectures we have discussed two methods from the valuation of goodwill. Let us remind the total methods for valuation of goodwill. There are total 4 methods for the valuation of goodwill. In that, number 1 is average profit method, second method is a weighted average profit method, number 3 is a super profit method, and number 4 is capitalization of average profit method. Out of these 4 methods, we have discussed the first 2 methods, that is average profit method and weighted average profit method. Today we are going to discuss the third method of valuation of goodwill. Name of the method is super profit method. In super profit method, it is essential that in the question you will be given capital employed as well as expected rate of return. Now let us understand what is the meaning of capital employed. The formula for finding capital employed is assets minus liabilities. When we deduct liabilities from the total assets, we get capital employed. Meaning of capital employed is the money which is invested in our business. We can say a net asset also. So that money is invested in our business, and another topic that will be given, that is ERR, that is called expected rate of return, that will be given to you in the percentage. This method is divided into 4 steps. First step is an average profit, which we were finding in our previous method. Second step will be normal profit or expected profit. For any business, it is essential to find out the normal profit. We can get the normal profit by multiplying our capital employed with our expected rate of return, which is already given to you in the question. When we multiply capital employed and expected rate of return, we get expected profit, or also we can say that a normal profit. After finding out normal profit, the third step will be finding out of a super profit. Super profit will be found out by the formula of average profit minus expected profit. Meaning of the word super profit is the profit which we are getting over and above the normal profit. That is called a super profit. When we earn some extra profit as compared to other businesses, that is called a super profit. So we can find out this super profit by deducting expected profit from the average profit. So we get a super profit. For your easy calculation, you can remember like step 1 minus step 2. Step 1 we have found average profit, step number 2 we have found expected profit. When we deduct step 1 from step 2, we get super profit. And the last step, that is step number 4, where that will be goodwill, which is equal to super profit that we have already found out in our third step. So that is super profit that will be multiplied with the number of years purchased. When we multiply number of years purchased, this will be given to you in the question itself. So when we multiply these two, we get the final valuation of goodwill. So these are the 4 steps which are included in the super profit method. For your answer part, in the initial stage, first of all you are supposed to find out the capital employed and expected rate of return. But obviously it would be given to you in the question, but as a part of answer, you are supposed to first of all write this capital employed in the first stage, and below that we will be writing expected rate of return. After these 2 steps, we will be preparing a table for the year-end profit. After completing this table, these 4 steps will be written. Let us again remember these steps. Number 1 is average profit. Second will be expected profit or a normal profit. Third step will be super profit. Super profit means profit which is over and above the normal profit. That will be called a super profit. And in the 4th step, we will be finding goodwill, which is equal to super profit, that will be multiplied with the number of years purchased. For your reference, you are hereby given 2 illustrations and 2 questions for your practice. Thank you.